Hello everyone, and I just thought I'd take a quick minute to provide an overview around the audio podcast series under the ZtormLabostix Production. This series with myself, the Shientist. This audio podcast series is under the Busta episode. It's a Shientist, a chartered edition, and I thought I'd just give a quick overview of what's in this audio podcast series. So in this audio podcast series, I'll be talking about several topics surrounding immunology, hematology, and transfusion practices. The ZtormLabostix Production audio podcast series will introduce some of the following subject entities. So the definition, number one, be the definition of blood and hemopoiesis. Number two, the use of red cells or red blood cells. And number three, the use of platelets and granulocytes, and there's two parts to that. And then the use of human albumin solution, or HAS. And then I'll be talking a little bit about the need to consider renal health in transfusion care and research to inform best practice. And there's two parts to that. There's going to be a sort of an audio. There'll be an overview in regards to a routine provision of red blood cell components, and the use of irradiated red cell components or products as well. So the audio podcast series will be here on will be available on this Instagram page, on the ZtormLabostix Instagram page, but also the full series can also be checked out through the ZtormLabostix YouTube channel. And there are two YouTube channels, so feel free to check out both of those YouTube channels. Basically, this audio podcast series it's just a quick audio podcast series will talk about will be a focus on aspects of pathology and laboratory medicine. If you sort of click down onto the the audio podcast below, you should hopefully get access to the audio podcast through this Instagram page. But again, you can check them out. Check out the audio podcast on YouTube if you prefer. Thanks for checking this out, and hopefully you'll find them of intrigue. Thanks.